Alright guys, so I'm doing an Instant Pot recipe, pretty easy. I got these stewing porks because they're on sale. And here is tomatoes. We're going to put a little bit of vegetable broth. And then I got a couple of things I need to use up here. This here, bean sprouts, Thai basil, and onions, green onions, and regular onions. I'm going to throw it all in there. I also got some chickpeas I need to use up. Throw it all in there and see how it tastes. Yeah, so I'll be right back, guys. I'll get it all prepped up. Alright guys, so I'm prepping it up. As you can see, put the herbs in there, put the Thai basil, the onions are in there. So I'm going to add a couple other things, and then actually a cup of rice to make it thick, and I'll be back, so stay tuned. Alright guys, it is ready. As you can see, cabbage, carrots, all that stuff is in there. Add enough water. I'm going to put it into the Instant Pot and put it on the stew button. So I'll be back, guys. Alright guys, it is all done, so let's check this out. So that's just cabbage. And I had to use up all my cabbage in the fridge, so I'll put it all in there. Let's do a quick taste test. That's actually really good. It's got a lot of flavor. It's sweet because of the cabbage that's in there. Almost like a borscht type of flavor without the vinegar. So yeah, it's actually kind of cool. Definitely check it out, guys. If you have any questions, comments, post below. Subscribe to the channel.